So, free fall. So, paano ni solve ang free fall? Actually, pasapos na niya. So, una is ang d is equals to velocity times time if constant speed. Pero if not, aring gamiton ang apat ni, which is the d is equals to VO or the initial velocity times time plus 1/2 AT squared. Another is d is equals to 1/2 quantity of VF plus our final velocity plus initial velocity times time. And final velocity is equals to initial velocity plus AT, or acceleration times time. And lastly is ang final velocity squared is equals to initial velocity squared plus 2 times acceleration times d or displacement. So, ang tandaan ta is amo lang gini ang lima ka formula for free fall. And magamit naman ni sila if magkado na to sa projectile. Kag ang isa pa is tandaan ta ang negative 9.8 meter per second nga acceleration, which is ang constant. So, duga solve ka lang ni algebra with dapat i-understand wagid ang mga problems. Kag if kaya i-drawingon mo una para maintindihan mo sa. Then amo ang pagbutang mo sang given, then pag-solve. Okay, first problem is given ang height or ang distance. So, tandaan na guys, ang height and distance is same lang when it comes to free fall. Now, ang ginapangita ta is ang final velocity, which is unknown. Okay, unknown ang final velocity ta. So, based sa dito, sa dumadamo itong mga formula, sa lima ka formula, anong gamiton ta? Since given ang distance, ang gamiton ta nga formula is ang may distance man. Since nga mabalaan taman ang initial velocity, and guys, ang initial velocity sang free fall, ang VO ka free fall, kung gapadalom lang, ang gapadalom is 0. Okay, 0 na sa. So, pwede ta gagamit kay since may distance ta, pwede ta gamiton ang formula nga VF final velocity squared is equals to initial velocity squared plus 2 acceleration and distance. Since may distance ka nga 15, acceleration mo is negative 9.8 meter per second, and ang initial velocity mo is 0 since gapanaog mo lang sa. Okay, so let's i-plug into na. Okay, so VF squared is equals to VO 0 plus 2 ang mga gravity, which is negative 9.8, and ang distance mo nga 15. So wala na, i-input na lang, which is 2 times 9.8 times 15, 294. And since nga negative, so ibutang ta na negative. Okay, ang negative guys is for the direction malang, but if hindi required ang direction, okay lang man nga positive. Pero sa ginagamit naman subong, required ang direction if ginapangita ta is velocity. Pero kung speed ma lang, 9.8 is okay. And since velocity ginapangita, mamaya sa gamitan ta ang negative as direction nga gapa naog. Okay, So, VF squared is equals to negative 294. And since nga VF lang yung pangita and squared de, kaksan na sabay square root. Okay, square root naman. Guys, hindi mo nagali mga square root kung may negative. So, disregard ito lang ang negative as for now. Pero mag-final answer ta nga, mag-box na to sa final answer is ibutang tagin na ang negative since velocity na pangita. Okay. So, square root of ito, 294 is 17.14 or 17.15. Okay. So, final velocity is 17.15 meters per second. Negative. So, muna lang answer. Okay. Tandaan nyo na ang inyong constant is negative since panahog. Okay. R naman tanga problem which is given ang initial velocity na guys ang ginahatag kung free fall. Okay. So ang ginapangita ta is ang final velocity which is mayari pa na digli given this nga 15 meters for the height. Okay, so mayara na ta duha ka components which is ang VO mo nga 10 and distance mo nga 15 tapos may acceleration ka pa nga negative 9.8. So, anong gamiton ta? Pwede man the same lang. Since nga may initial ka na, may distance ka, and may acceleration ka pa. Okay? So, let's use the same formula na lang. VF squared is equals to VO squared plus 2AD. Okay. VF, plug in mo lang tanan. So, VO is 10 squared plus 2, negative 9.8 and 15. So, VF squared is, plug in mo, 10 squared plus 2, 9.8, 15, ay 394. 394. Then i-square root mo para makakas ang squared. Okay? Square root of 394 is 19.85. VF is equals to negative 19.85 meter per second. And guys, di mo pagkalimutan ang units. Ang units, hindi man pagkalimutan. Kaya if wala ka units, it is automatically nga wrong. And nga negative kay gapanaw. Okay, next is the time. Ang time naman ang ginapangita. Pero you have given, may dua ka given or tatlo. No. So, finding the time, may given ka nga height. So, distance na nasa. D is equals to 2 meters. Acceleration mo nga negative 9.8. And ang isa is ang initial velocity. Since nga gapanaog man lang, may initial velocity ta nga 0. So, sa limato ka formula, anong pwede ta magamit para makuha tang time? So, pwede ta kagamit ka distance formula, which is the D is equals to initial velocity times time plus 1/2 80 squared. So, plug in ta lang 2. Since nga 0 ato nga initial velocity, ibutang taman 0. Okay? Initial velocity times time is 0 ta lang guys para ma-avoid ta ang quadratic equation. Pero halos same lang gyapon ang answer. Okay, so plus 1/2 negative 9.8 t squared. Okay, so ang amo niya concept daw ka algebra, which is the finding the x. Okay, so let's simplify yan 2 is equals to, okay, 9.8 divided by 2 is negative 4.9 t squared. Okay, so divide both sides by negative 4.9, negative 4.9, cancel. Okay na ito. Up. So 2 divided by 4.9 is equals to 0.40. So t squared is equals to 0.41. And since nga siya squared, so di ba mabutang ta di negative, pero common sense naman nga ang time why man guro negative nga time, so hindi ta na pagbutangan kag since nga mas square root ta, kung i-plug in mo na guys ang square root nga may kung ma-plug in ka mag square root ka sa negative number is gamat error or hindi na sa makita undefined. Okay, so square root na square root. So t is equals to square root the answer 0.64 seconds. So wala na. Next, what if naman kung gapasaka? Siyempre, if magpasaka, di ba, due to gravity is manaog man sa gihapon. Sakto? So, what if ang given mo is ang problem is gapasaka and amo ning ato niya i-solve for the next, okay? So, you have a given nga 4.8 meter per second, which is initial velocity kuno nga gapasaka. So, ang pangitaon mo is ang distance and the time, hang time. Ang sa problem, ang ginapangita lang nga distance is ang height niya nga pagpasaka lang. Disregard ko lang ang displacement, which is ang distance nga pagpasaka and ang pamagpadalo. Kung amo naman ang gamiton, kung amo naman ang ginapangita, ang time nga i-use ta is ang hang time. which is ang hang time is ang time nga nagpasaka tapos ang kag nagpanaog. Umuna sa ang hang time. Kung nagpasaka lang, ang tawag na siya nga time is half time. So, paano mako ang hang time? Pwede mo pangitaw ng half time, then i-times mo lang sa 2. That is the hang time. Which is ang nang obrahon ta subong. So, okay, pangitawan ta ng distance. So, dito sa mga formula, ano ang pwede ta magamit? And diri sa ano guys, sa kung may problem ba nga ang free fall ga pasaka, ang ilan nga final velocity is 0 sa free fall na nga ga pasaka ha. Okay? So, ang final velocity, 0. Pero ang initial velocity, niyara sila initial velocity. It's just nga ang final velocity lang ang 0 meters per second. Kasi ma-confuse ka mo. So, since nga may arata components which is the final velocity, initial velocity, and plus acceleration. So, nagamitan ta nga formula. So, the best nga gamitan ta is ang final velocity squared is equals to initial velocity squared plus 2 acceleration times distance. So, distance unahon ta. Plug in ta ang VF nga 0. Since nga may initial ka, plug in 1, 48 squared plus 2 negative 9.8. Distance mo is D lang. Okay? So, let's start. Are, pwede ito ni isa i-silo sa piyak for finding the x bala, guys. So, 48 squared, negative 48 is equals to 2 times negative 9.8 d. Okay, so use our calculator ang cycle. Okay, 48 squared. I-squared ko na sa daan, guys. Pag i-squared ko na sa daan, antes ka sa isilo para negative siya and makancel ang negative sa piyak. Kay y man ta distance nga negative. May distance tam nga negative if may direction. Pero since ang ginapangayo is ang pasaka lang. Kung pasaka lang ginapangayo, dapat ang ato nga distance or the displacement is positive. Okay, so negative 2304 is equals to 2 times 9.8 negative 19.6 times distance. Negative 19.6 both sides. Divide both sides by negative 19.6. So our distance will be 2304 divided by 19.6 is 117.55 meters. Okay? Amo na yung distance ang nagpasaka. Okay? So, now, pangitawan ta ang B. May distance na ang B, pangitawan ta ang hang time. Which is, ang magamit sa limato ka formula is ang VF is equals to initial velocity plus 80. VF mo, again, 0. initial velocity mo is 48 plus negative 9.8 t. Again, silot ang negative ang 48. 48, negative 48 is negative na equals to negative 9.8 t. Divide both side by negative 9.8, negative 9.8, and time is 48 divide 9.8. Okay, 4.90 times 2. Why? Kaya re, amo ni saang half time. Okay? So, nga times 2 ta sa, kay since ang inapangita is the hang time, which is ang time sang halin sa pagpasaka hasta sang pagpanaog. Okay? So, times 2. So, our hang time will be times 2, 9.80 seconds. Okay, so mana. Last. So what if naman in gingaan ka sang distance? Ang distance ko no, pag for example nagaboy sa bola, ang distance ko no sang bola is pagaboya is 2.62 meters. So, ang ginapakita iya is ang initial velocity. So, anong obrahon ta? Okay. So, ano nga formula ang gamitin ta? Since nga may distance ta, may final velocity ta. Since nagpasaka ang iyang final velocity, again, is 0. May acceleration man ta nga 9.8, negative 9.8 meters per second squared. So, nagamitin ta with that components. Ang formula nga, ang Vf squared is equals to initial velocity squared plus 2AD. Okay. So, plug in ta lang. 0 is equals to VI. May takabalo. So, VI squared plus 2, negative 9.8. And the distance is 2.62. Okay, since ang velocity nga pangitaon ta is nagpasaka, which is ang direction niya is upward. If upward gani anong sign ka velocity, it should be positive. So, para mag-positive ang aton niya velocity, initial velocity karon, ang are, ang from 2, ang 2 times negative 9.8 times 2.62 is silot sa piyak. Okay? Silot sa piyak. So, plug in 2 times 9.8 times 2.62, which is 51.35 VI2. Since nga initial velocity lang, kag may squared, ano ta? Square root. Count ang square root. So, the initial velocity will be 7.17 meters per second. So, muna na. Last guys is try nyo answer. Pause nyo anay, then answeran nyo, then try yourself, practice after na i-solve ta together. Okay, so ang problem is a ball was thrown 60 meter vertically, so pababaw in open air. What was the initial velocity? So initial velocity, VI or VO, of the ball. How much time did it take to reach the highest point? So, magambal ka nga how much time did it take to reach the highest point? Ano na sa? Hang time or half time? Siyempre, half time. Kaya pamangkot mo lang kung saan na-reach ang highest point mo. So, naka-answer na ka mo? Siguro naka-answer na ka mo. So, let's start. Para hindi ka mabudlayan, i-draw. Draw ta na. 60 meters vertically. Upward. Na. Tapos, ang arc ng distance ya is 60 meters. In open air. What is the initial velocity? So, ang ginapangita is initial velocity. And the time or the half time. So, ang given mo is the distance, which is the 60 meters. Acceleration, mga 9.8 meter, negative. And, may isa pa. Final velocity. Nga, kay nagpasaka sa, ang final velocity niya, if magnaog sa, is 0 or at rest. Tsaka, so, final velocity is 0. From this given, anong pwede nga magamit? So, if unahon mo pangitawan ng initial velocity, you can use the final velocity squared is equals to initial velocity squared plus 2AD. So, plug in mo lang. Since nga may initial velocity ka, initial velocity 0 is equals to initial velocity squared, final velocity ka guys. So, sorry. Plus 2, negative 9.8, and the distance will be 60. Again, isaylo to sa piyak para nga mag-positive since ang velocity ko magpasaka is positive kay upward. Okay? Okay. So, input 2 times 9.8 times 60. Sakta? Okay, 1,000. Negative 1,176. Kung i-transpose ta sa piyak, may mo sa positive 1,176 is equals to billion VI squared. So, since nga initial velocity lang, i-kuha square root, extracting square root. So, square root of the answer is 30. So, initial velocity will be that 34.29 meters per second. Okay? So, wala na. Ang time naman. So, ano gamiton ta kung time naman ang ginapangita, which is the half time lang. Pero kung naghambal sa nga how much the time it take to reach the, or how much the time it take to reach the ground. Since nga ginapangita, kung amo na ginapangita is hang time, so i-times 2 mo lang ang half time, which is ang kwaon ta subong. So ang tinga ginakwa ta digali guys is only the half time, so you need to times it to 2 to make it ay hang time. So, half lang di ginakwa ta. So, anong gamiton ta nga formula? Gamiton ta ang VF is equals to initial velocity plus VO plus AT. Tsakta. Tsakta na. So, final velocity will be 0. Initial velocity, which is the 34.29 plus 9.8 negative 9.8 t. So, ano na? Find the x. Nalang da yan. So, since nga negative 9 point, ang negative 9.8 ang gamit transpose ta sa piyak para mag-positive ang time ta. So, let's go. If transpose, may masan na 9.8t is equals to 34.29. Divide both sides by 9.8, and you'll get the half time. So, 34.29 divided by 9.8 is so we will get the 3.50 seconds. So that's it. So muna na guys. 31 minutes, diba? Grabe. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.